In this video, I'll show you how to sign out or remove your Apple ID from other devices. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Sometimes you may have logged into your Apple ID on other devices and now wish to sign them out, whether for security purposes or other reasons. You might also want to ensure that no one else is accessing your account without permission. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. Once there, scroll down to view a list of devices associated with your account. Locate the device you want to remove, especially if it's one you don't recognize. Tap on the device, and you'll see an option labeled Remove from Account. This option also provides a reminder to change your password if you suspect unauthorized access. Tap Remove from Account and confirm your choice when prompted. Once the device has been removed, you'll be returned to the list of devices, and you'll notice it's no longer there. And that's how you can remove your Apple ID from other devices. If you have any questions or found this guide useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.